John Ray Gutierrez.
Let's have Pangasinan and Pampanga.
Pangasinan and Pampanga.
Again, aside from friendship, what do you want to gain in this competition? Aside from friendship. Aside from friendship, what do you want to gain on this competition?
I did this kind of pageant not just because of fame or because of the title or the crown. I did this pageant because of my weaknesses. Because of my weaknesses. My number one weakness is practice again or social and practice. And I think that's one of more important nowadays of being vocal to everyone and being knowledgeable and communicating with everyone. And I think that's one important of para dyan sa this kind of pageant. Thank you.
So, Brad, what is that one quality about you that sets you apart from your fellow candidates? What's that one quality about you that sets you apart from your fellow candidates?
I guess it's my authenticity. I joined this pageant because I want to improve myself more. And actually, to be honest with you, I'm afraid on speaking in front of the crowd. That's why I am very proud of myself that I am here, and I believe, despite of my weakness, I can stand out with a purpose. That's all.
Thank you so much. Boys, and last question, kayo ng tatlo. Si Lane, siyang pinakahuling magtatanong. From the Crown Philippines, Jonathan Santos. Hello, Jonah.
Sir, one question na lang for everyone. Why should you win Mr. Friendship International?
Ay,
Hello, good afternoon po sa ating lahat. Sana okay po tayong lahat, no? I think I deserve to be the crown because I think I carry on the perseverance, the power, and the advocacy to push through the organization. Talking with Sir Ate Kayla, tinanong ko po siya kung ano nga problema at advocacy ng organization for us to empower more than the organization. Ang sabi po niya, ang kagandahan ng organization na to is that we promote and we support the advocacy of the candidates. So, I think as a law student and as a public servant, I advocate for the pushing of making the law closer to the people and the people closer to the law.
Breaking the law.
Yeah, no, wag muna. Pero in a way po, if ever I win the crown, I wish to push that advocacy further to the farthest part of the Philippines po. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I think I am deserved to win for this Mr. Friendship International Philippines 2025 because I believe I have the authentic commitment to connection. So by that, I can lead by example, I can educate people through the right path by giving them, providing and educating people to promote peace, understanding, and of course, in connection to cultural diversity and inclusivity. Aside from that, I can empower to the young generation, especially to become an effective and efficient individual. And most of all, I can organize the young generation to champion teamwork and, of course, building a strong relationship. And lastly, transport for the greater responsibility in our community. Because I believe as Mr. Friendship International Philippines, and of course, we should empower the young ones to spread awareness, to educate, and especially the unity. Because the true spirit of friendship, it's promote a healthy community for all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. For me, it's my bawat today. Hindi ko naman na-expect na makasabi ito. At my age, maybe because I want to motivate the people and inspiration of me. Because hindi lahat ng at my age, hindi lahat tayo work out. Health is wealth. Para sa akin. 44.
About now.
Thank you guys. And also thank you to our media friends. Wala akong patanggalan dyan.
Rising to the sky, glitz and glam, they're flying high. Every crown tells a story so divine. Critical beauty, it's their time to shine.